Climate change is endangering all life on Earth, yet many of us aren't aware that what we eat contributes to 34% of total greenhouse gas emissions. Young people like myself are frustrated about government inaction, but I believe we can all make a difference. One way is by adopting plant-based diets low in red meat and junk food, which benefits both our health and the environment. Given our generation's commitment to climate action, you'd think that young people would be following these diets, right? Surprisingly not. In fact, our diets are the worst among all age groups, highlighting a gap between our values and actions. Therefore, my research involves working with young people to understand what resources they want and need to follow a healthier and sustainable diet. From this, I'll create an online nutrition program that empowers young adults to eat better for their own health and the health of the planet. And when we grow up and pass these habits on to the next generation, we have the potential to reverse climate change and combat our growing health issues.